So here we are, August the 12th, 2026, Lou. And this is a solar eclipse just happening in our garden. Wow. I hope it's going to capture it because we've got those bloody
wires.
Yeah, the power lines and the telephone lines. Yeah, you can definitely see it's starting, isn't it? Can you see?
Yeah.
We're having to look at it on the camera because you can't look at it with your naked eye. I did see as well that it said you shouldn't point your camera at it because it might damage your camera, but hopefully we'll be okay. Wow. This might be a once in a lifetime thing, Lou. Have you seen it before?
I think we saw it when it happened years ago, didn't we?
Yeah, but I think this is going to be more of a almost total 95% eclipse. I think it's going to be. It's definitely happening. The birds are going crazy. It's kind of what? An eighth covered now?
Yeah. 7:08.
7:08 PM in the UK, near Birmingham. We're not quite in Birmingham. The pigeons are going for it. It's freaking them out, I think. I wish those power lines weren't there, those. But hey. I think it's focused on the sun. I don't know. Oh, there you go. That looks better. I've just put the focus on the sun. I can't zoom in anymore, guys. Let's see if I can move more central frame. There you go. Wow. It's happening. I'm so glad I've got this camera. Sony a6700, I think it is. 6,700. I'm glad you're here, Lou. Yep. We are happening. It is happening. I'm going to move down a step so the cable's not in the way. No, it's still in the way. Let's go further down. That's better. There you go. Whoa, it's getting there now, Lou. Look at that. It's getting dark now. It's nearly gone. Dun, dun, dun. When I look up into the sky with my eyes, it still looks really bright. You can't see it with your eyes at all. But on the screen, look at the screen, it's gone black, Lou.
Yeah.
Wow. How much of an eclipse will we get? It's definitely going dark. It hasn't gone that much darker, has it?
Yeah, it does.
Well, you know, there's that flare at the top, isn't there? Yeah, I think the birds are freaking out. They don't know what's going on. The screen's gone black, Lou. Nearly. There's just that bit. I think that's as far as it's going to go, you know.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it's going to come back now. It's amazing that just that tiny part of the sun is still providing enough light, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's a weird light, isn't it? It's like a dirty light, isn't it? No, it's coming back now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can move this a bit. Yeah. I think you can see now, I can just about see on the monitor, I can just about see trees. Camera's struggling to cope with the light conditions, obviously. But it's doing alright. Saw some weird flashes then, though. Yeah, it's definitely getting brighter now. So, yeah, I would say that was about 90% maybe.
Yeah.
90% Eclipse. So there you go. I don't know how many years it's going to be until we get another one, but it's going to be a while, guys. We need the Beatles now, don't we, Lou? Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Yeah, that's all over pretty fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
The things in the solar system are moving pretty quick, aren't they? Thousands of miles an hour. The Earth's spinning, the moon's spinning around the Earth, we're spinning around the sun. Awesome.
Look, it's lighting up the top of the car again.
Yeah, it's all coming back now. What a thing to witness, though. That was pretty cool, wasn't it, Lou?
Yeah, it was.
Whoops. Sorry about this jerking about. Difficult with this tripod. But yeah, we've nearly got full sun back.
And the first bit really quickly and now it's slowed down.
Yeah, it does seem to have, it all happened quick. And now it's like it's in slow motion. And the sun is a lot dimmer now, even though there's most of it exposed, which is really strange. I don't understand what that phenomenon is, if you can say phenomenon. So, I don't know how long this has been recording. Didn't tell me. Oh, yeah, it does. Nearly 9 minutes that's taken, Lou. And we're so lucky that it didn't get obscured by a cloud. We thought it was, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was very fortunate. There was a massive cloud went across like minutes before it started. So we were lucky. I could stop recording, but I think it only happens once in a lifetime, doesn't it? A couple of times in a lifetime, so you might as well keep it going for posterity. What a lovely crescent that is now, look. Can you see it?
Yeah. Crescent of the sun. It's normally the moon.
Yeah, exactly. That's a beautiful shot now. Looks really cool. Apart from the telephone wire being in the way. Let's see if I can move this back up a bit. There you go. That brightness changes me trying to autofocus on the moon, on the sun and the moon, rather than on the trees. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Sorry, that's my tripod again. And I think that's it. I think that is pretty much it. There's a, looks like a rabbit cloud coming in to enjoy the fun. Yeah, he's just ended it all off. Yeah, that definitely, can you see that? It looks like a head and two ears up above to the left, and then it's back. Wow. Well, there you go, guys. That was fun. Solar eclipse. August the 12th, 2026. Over and out.